me, but please definitely stay. First things first, before I get into today's video, please ignore the state I look right now. I've just got home from work. I need to quickly film this, edit Friday's video, quickly go and have a shower, and then relax. So yeah, but today's video is unboxing the Novemeber Look Fantastic. I cannot believe it looks in a beautiful silver box. Now I've got this one, and then I think I've got one more for this year, and then that is the lot for this year. So I'm so happy and so excited to see what is actually in the December box, and I cannot wait for that one. Like as always, everything you need to know about Look Fantastic will be in the description box below for you guys as well. And if the advent calendar is still available, I will leave the link in the description box as well, so you guys can have a look at the advent calendar if you wish to purchase it. If, like I said, if it's still available, I will leave the link. I'm hoping it is still available for you guys, because the products in there are absolutely amazing, and I literally cannot wait to open them. I've actually got 3 calendars to open this year: a Revolution one, a glossy box, and a Look Fantastic one, which I'm so excited. But this video is about this month's Look Fantastic, so let's get unboxing this beautiful box. You can see this month's box is this beautiful silver kind of box. Every month they do different kind of colours of boxes as well. If there's like a theme, then the boxes obviously are going to be themed as well. So I'm so excited to see what next month's box looks like, because next month is obviously the month of Christmas. So hopefully it's going to be a lovely Christmassy box. Some people do actually keep these, by the way, guys, to like pop things in. And inside the lids, they do actually have quotes. And this one says, "Call your way through the party season, #LF Beauty Box." So as always, you get a beautiful edit booklet, and then obviously you get the tissue paper. But I wanted to show you a bit more about this edit book. If you've not actually seen this edit book comes with the beauty boxes every month. They are very good read as well. It shows you all the products that you are going to receive in all of your boxes, how to use them properly, and how to use them in other ways, etc. And on the back it gives you a little sneak peek of what's going to be in your next month's box. So a sneak peek what's coming up. So it looks like we're going to have a festive beauty box, the much loved brand Med-IK8. I've never heard of that. Micellar Mousse. It actually does look pretty cool, so I'm so excited to see what's actually inside next month's box. But this is Novemeber's box, and if I open the tissue paper, you have 5 products inside. I'm going to show you anyway. The product you have is a beautiful brush from Luxie. So this is the Luxie 205 tapered blending brush. It's so beautiful. I love new brushes. I don't know why, they're just so nice and fluffy. It's a beautiful brush. It's got like the gold bit at the top here, and it's all pink. Lovely soft brush as well. I absolutely love, I don't know about you guys, but I love having new brushes, like whether it's through an order you've placed, or one of the beauty boxes, or an advent calendar, you know, or wherever you get your makeup brushes from. I love new brushes, I really do. Then the next product I saw, which I absolutely love because it's from a favourite brand of mine, it is a Revolution. So this is the Revolution Makeup Revolution London Mini Reloaded Palette Velvet Rose. Now it does have, I think it has a sticker on. Yeah, it has like tapes and stuff on. So beautiful colours. If you've actually had the Reloaded palette from Revolution, you guys would have had obviously the full palette with all the beautiful colours in. But look at them. This is the mini version, and this is called Mini Velvet Rose. I love Revolution. It's my favourite brand of all time, and I absolutely love it. So I was so excited when I received that in this month's box. Then we have pastel slip resistance and crease free clips to hold back bangs and stray hairs. So we have a couple of mini grips. If I can actually get one out and show you. They're to hold your hair out of your face. So if you're trying to do your makeup, then they're very, very oh, they're baby pink. Well, one's baby pink and one's a bright pink, and they've got like little flowers on the tip of them. If you guys can actually see, but there we go, they've got like little flowers on the tip of the clips. So if you've never actually had or used these before, you don't know what to do with them. So like if your hair is like in your face and you want to do your skincare or you want to do your makeup first before you do your hair and everything else, you just basically clip your hair out of your face like that. Obviously they're not in properly because I didn't pop them in properly and my hair is up already. But you just clip them into your hair like so, and it gets your hair out of your face. So especially if you are doing your skincare, sorry, or makeup, you can use the grips to get your hair out of the face. I do actually have Love Island ones as well, which I absolutely love. They're so lovely. And they are very, very handy as well if you are getting ready for a night out, or if you're getting ready to do your skincare. They are so handy to get your hair out of your face. We have is a Dream Wow. So the a Colour Wow, sorry, not Dream Wow, this is Colour Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray, magical transforms textures, amazing humidity purifying powers. So it's something to do with hair. Directions: use of 3 to 4 shampoos. Do you know what? I actually don't know what this is. I've actually got the thing of 1 or 2 of these in my drawer already, and I literally don't know what they are. I think, do you know what, I'm actually gonna look inside my edit. That is a good thing about these edits. If you don't know a product, you can always look at this and find out what it actually is. So the Colour Wow Dream Coat encourages smooth, sleek hairstyles with the anti-humidity spray, a heat activated spray designed for all types of hair. So it's something to do with like when you're trying to style your hair. But yeah, to be honest with you, I have heard loads of good things about this all over social media. I've heard like the mousse and the hairspray and the dry shampoo and everything else is so good. So do you know what, I'm actually going to give this a go one day. I might actually do it when I get out of the shower, actually. Try this out. Yeah, do you know what, that is an actually good idea. I'm going to try this out when I get out of the shower. But yeah, apparently it's supposed to be a really good thing. I don't know what smell it comes off of. Do you know what, it don't really have a smell. No, it don't. Just made my nose all wet then. It don't really have a smell to it, but I'm going to actually give that a go. I've heard nothing but good things about that product, so I'm hoping it lives to what it says. So just 2 more things to show you guys. The second to last thing is in Avant Pro Collagen Profecting Collagen Primer. Now, I think I've got dozens of this product in my drawers. I think I've got loads of primers, loads of moisturisers, scrubs, the lot of this brand, and I've never actually used any of them. I don't think, to be honest with you, I think that I'm kind of scared of using new products just in case I come out red and blotchy or I have allergic reactions to it. But do you know what? I'm going to pluck up the courage and actually use something like this. I don't know whether to use the primer though, that's the thing, because what about if I put it on, do all my makeup, then my makeup goes wrong and I'm red as a tomato and I look actually horrible. I think I might have to use the primers the day before I want to put on makeup and use this, if that kind of makes sense. Because I don't want to put it on, then put it on top of my makeup and then my face goes all red and blotchy and itchy. So yeah, I think I might try this, but the day before I actually put on the makeup. I do want to give this a go though, because like I said, I do have moisturisers from this brand as well. I'll give you a close-up look so you guys can see. But yeah, I do have moisturisers from this brand as well, so I do actually want to give it a go. Like I said, there's loads in my drawers and I've not even touched any of them, so I'm going to pluck up the courage and actually try it. If I do come up in red rashes or I'm allergic to it, then obviously I would either get rid or give it away to friends and family, because what's the point of keeping something that's going to make you all red and blotchy and itchy? Because I've had to change my shampoo before, I've had to change my body soap, I've had to change some of the shower gels because they all made me all itchy. I've had to change some of the serums as well for your face because I came out in red and blotchy and made me itch. So there's some kind of things that makes me have allergic reaction to. Bad really, because, well, it's not bad, but, well, it is, but it ain't. It makes me feel like I've wasted money on products that is making me itch. But that's the whole thing. You don't know what it's going to do to you unless you actually try it. But yeah, I'm allergic to some of the shampoos because they're too strong for my hair. I'm allergic to, well, not allergic, but some of the serums are too strong for my skin. I've got very sensitive skin. I've got very oily skin, so I've got to be careful of what I put on my face as well. So yeah, things like that with like new products that I get from these boxes, I do want to try them out, but obviously I'm a little bit too scared and nervous whether they're going to give me a rash, whether they're going to make me all itchy, because that's the last thing I want to do is put them on, then either go to work or go out and I'm all red and blotchy and people are going to think that I've got the lurg or something. But yeah, that's the last thing I want. So last product in this box is this beautiful little mini one. I've got a very itchy nose for some reason. This is the Bondi Sands Pure Self-Tanning Sleep Mask. Now, if you guys tune in my channel, you guys know that I've been recently doing my tan. I've actually come out of that routine because of obviously things that's been going on at the time, going from one job to another, and then my birthday, and then obviously COVID and all that lot. It was just a nightmare. So I've kind of stopped using my tan at the moment. I've got to get back into it, but I don't think I probably will until near Christmas time now. Because obviously got Christmas coming up, I've got to work as well, and obviously I do 6-2 one week to 10 another, so my shifts alternate, and the last thing I want to do is put on a tan and go to work and look like an orange Oompa Loompa. I do something like this, or any tan really, either on a Friday when I come home from work, when I'm 6-2, or a Saturday, then at least I've got Sunday to kind of calm it down if I've put too much on, and then obviously it calms down throughout the days. But yeah, obviously when I'm 2-10, obviously I can't do it because I just haven't got enough time. There's no point in me doing it first thing in the morning, because the time it develops, it's going to get darker and darker and darker, and obviously I've got to leave it on for a couple of hours, then wash it off. And when I'm on 2-10 anyway, my mornings are hectic because I get up about 7:30, 8 o'clock. I have to have breakfast. I always have to have breakfast and tea first thing in the morning. It doesn't matter if I'm 6-2 or 2-10, because I always feel, I don't know if you guys get it, but I always kind of feel sick where I'm hungry. So yeah, do really want to try this out, because I've heard so many good things about Bondi Sands tan. I actually do want to use the actual like fake tan itself. If you guys have been subscribed to my channel for a long while, you know that I've been using, I can't remember the blinking name of it now. I'm using tan, but not recently. So I want to get back into it. But so, yeah, I do want to give this a go. I might actually try this out either a Friday night or a Saturday night, because if it gives me a rash or something, or I'm allergic to it, or it goes to orange, at least it's got Sunday to calm it down, instead of doing it Sunday and then going into work and then I look either red and blotchy or completely orange. Sorry for that ramble on, but this has been the Novemeber Look Fantastic beauty box. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Like I said, I will leave the links in the description box below for you guys, including the advent calendar. I actually love this box because obviously with the clips, the makeup brush and the Revolution palette, and then there's 3 products that I'm going to try out as well. So you get 5 products inside every month. Sometimes you get a little extra, they just throw in like little treats or something. But yeah, everything you need to know will be in the description box below for you guys, so go ahead and check it out. To look fantastic, they are beautiful boxes. I absolutely love them. So I've got to admit, you can get some boxes that are better than others. You probably get a box full of brands you've never even heard of, products you've never even heard of, and you might get a box one month that you know all the brands, you love all the products. So it is a bit of a hit and miss. You don't know what products you're going to get until they actually arrive. But some boxes are better than others. But yeah, I still love them nevertheless, because you can try out new products that you've never even heard of before, never even heard of the brand before. Plus, glossy boxes and look fantastic boxes are easily to be gifted to someone as well. So if you subscribe to them like monthly, you can gift your boxes. You can either keep them to yourself or give them to your friends and family. So for a Christmas idea as well, I will be doing gift guides and everything, but this is a gift guide for anyone who loves makeup, skincare and everything else. These boxes are perfect to get anyone. Boxes can come in handy for any birthdays, Christmases, any like little surprises, because you can fill them up with their favourite things. So if you do subscribe, say keep the boxes, because you can actually pop in some like shredded stuff like this. Obviously if you don't have to have tissue paper if you don't want to, and then you can fill it up with all their favourite things, like their favourite chocolate, favourite sweets. You can make a little hamper for them, like a little pamper thing. It's so lovely. You can throw in little Yankee candles in. It would look so lovely, and it's the thought that counts as well, because you've put in the effort to put their favourite products inside them boxes. So when they open it, they're going to think, oh my god, I've got a Look Fantastic box, or I've got a glossy box, or anything like that, or any monthly subscription box you're subscribed to. But when they actually open it, it's filled with all their favourite things. And the plans are suited to you as well, so you can cancel at any time as well. So if you don't like your boxes or you don't want them anymore, you can cancel as well. They are easy to cancel. They are not difficult whatsoever. You can just email them or live chat them and say, I would like to cancel my box, and they will do it there and then. They won't charge you whatsoever. They are so easy to talk to as well, and the customer service and the Look Fantastic and Glossworks team are amazing. If you have any issues, then please get onto them, because they literally answer all your questions for you. But yeah, if you know someone who is a lover of makeup, lover of skincare, like having clips and stuff in your boxes, then you can get them one of these boxes. So guys, I'm going to wrap up today's video. This video is probably long enough anyway. I have rambled on for so long throughout this video, and I'm so sorry if I have chewed your ear off. If you have got to the end of this video, then thank you so much. You are a true subscriber and I love you all so much. But yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell next to it as well, so you're notified every time I upload. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.